In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Canva presentation to PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get right into it. If you've created a stunning presentation on Canva and you want to share it with someone who prefers PowerPoint, you're in luck, because the process is super straightforward. So let's dive into the steps. First things first, you need to have your presentation open in Canva. Once that's set, look for the Share button. You'll find this little gem located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several sharing options, and this is where the magic begins. As soon as the drop-down menu appears, keep an eye on the options. You want to scroll down and find the choice labeled Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a simple yet effective option that allows you to export your design into a format that's more widely used and familiar to many, so go ahead and select that. Once you've chosen PowerPoint, the next step is all about deciding what content you want to download. This part is crucial because not every presentation needs to be saved in its entirety. Maybe you want to share just a couple of specific slides rather than everything you've created. So, take a moment to think about this. In the drop-down menu, you should now see options that allow you to either export all pages or select specific ones. If you want the entire presentation, just click on the option for all pages. However, if you're aiming to handpick certain slides, you can easily select those individual ones. After you've made your choice, simply look for the purple Download button. This button is usually pretty prominent, so you shouldn't miss it. When you click that purple Download button, Canva will start processing your request. Depending on the length and complexity of your presentation, it might take just a few seconds. Once that's done, your file will be downloaded to your computer in a PowerPoint format. Voila! You've successfully converted your Canva presentation to PowerPoint. Remember that once you open your downloaded file in PowerPoint, you may want to go through it to ensure everything looks exactly as you intended. Sometimes minor adjustments might be necessary, since different platforms can sometimes interpret designs differently. And just like that, you've gone from creating a beautiful Canva presentation to sharing it via PowerPoint. It's a seamless transition that opens up lots of collaborative possibilities, especially if your audience prefers PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow and maximizes your presentation potential. Remember,